Okay, hi all. So I'm going to talk about how to use unfair predictions to ameliorate algorithms and make them also fair. Okay, so there is online algorithms, so classical online algorithms. It's like good because we can prove theorems, bad because they don't work so well in practice. Then there is ML, which is exactly the opposite. And then there is these learning augmented algorithms that are like try to achieve the best of both worlds. Okay, so now the problem is that we use predictions. So we may introduce some bias. And on the one side, we want to use predictions as much as possible because we want to ameliorate things. But on the other side, we may introduce bias and make things unfair. Okay. So now the question is, can we design fair algorithms that take advantage of unfair predictions? Okay, so we look at the secretary problem. You have n candidates, they arrive uniformly at random. After interview, you decide either I hire or not. This is the classical one, and then there is the one with predictions, when in the beginning you look at the CVs of everybody and you have a prediction about the quality. Okay. And now you want to do the following. So if the predictions are accurate, then you want to be almost get the best candidate. And if predictions are bad, you still want to get something acceptable. Okay. And now what's the main problem? That in the secretary, you have this specific thing here, which, predictions could be very good. So everything is extremely close to the actual value. But because you have some inversion, some very small error, then you may never hire the best candidate. So you can retrieve the previous guarantees, these consistent robustness, but never hire the best candidate. So now what we want is that, we want to have these consistency robustness guarantees that are only possible if you give them predictions, but also give some chance to the best candidate to get hired. Okay. And we have to achieve this. So not gonna talk about the details, but we achieve, so if epsilon is very small, we retrieve the best, almost the best candidate. We always get a candidate with constant value away from the best candidate, but we also, select the best candidate with constant probability. And previous work was like not having this fairness guarantee. And we also do that in the case secretary. Okay, thank you a lot, and see you in the podcast.